This problem is 7 minus 1 over 2 cubed. That's 7 minus 1 over 2 to the third power. So the first thing to do is we're going to remove the exponent. So 2 to the third power is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2. So the next thing to do is to multiply the 2's out. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So that leaves us with 7 minus 1 over 8. Now, at this point, it's a problem of subtracting fractions. 7 is the same thing as 7 over 1. So in order to subtract these fractions, we need to make the denominators the same. This is the numerator, and this is the denominator. So since 8 is the bigger number, we're going to make both of the denominators 8. So the question is, how do we get 7 over 1 to have a denominator of 8? Okay, so 7 over 1 is the same thing as 56 over 8. And the way we know that is because 1 times 8 is 8. So we have to do the same thing to the numerators. So 7 times 8 is 56. So that's how we get the 56 over 8. So now the problem's really simple since the denominators are the same. So it's 56 over 8 minus 1/8. So all we got to do is subtract the numerators and keep the denominator. So the answer, of course, is 55 over 8, 55/8. Now that's an improper fraction, and you may want your answer to be as a mixed fraction. So in order to do that, we need to think, how many times does 8 go into 55? Let's think. Maybe 7? 8 times 7 is 56. Nope, that's too high. So let's go one lower. How about 6? So 8 times 6 is 48. So we got 48, so I'm going to count on my fingers how many numbers it takes to get to 55. So we got 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So that's 7. So my answer is 6 and 7 over 8.